When people search for Goldspirevision reviews, they usually want to understand how the platform presents its tools, support, and overall trading experience. Based on the provided website text, Goldspirevision describes itself as a modern trading platform focused on clarity, broader access, and user confidence. One of the first things that stands out is the platform's message around progress. Goldspirevision says users can shape tomorrow today and turn vision into reality with the help of tools, insights, and support. That gives the brand a more forward-looking tone because it connects trading with long-term direction, not only with market activity. Another strong point is ease of use. Goldspirevision says trading should be straightforward and effective. It also says the platform removes distractions so users can focus on their objectives. That message is likely meant to appeal to both newer traders and people who want a cleaner, more structured experience. Support and learning are also major parts of the site presentation. Goldspirevision says learning resources are always within reach, while professional guidance helps users move forward with stronger confidence. The feedback section reinforces that message. One user says education helped transform them from a beginner into a confident trader. Another says strong data insights created more certainty. Another says the platform helps maintain an edge in crypto. Taken together, Goldspirevision reviews based on the site text suggest that Goldspirevision wants to present itself as accessible, support-oriented, and built around better decision-making. Users should still do their own checks before using any financial platform. Still, the site clearly aims to create an image of clarity, support, and steady progress.